exhausted. Sugar rush. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diane, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog. Okay, so we are going to be going out today. I'm going to be going to the mall because I've been at home like since morning. Literally since I woke up, I have not done anything. To be honest, I only managed to get breakfast. I've just been on my bed watching YouTube videos on apartment tours, apartment renovations, because it's just something that I've been really interested in lately, and I've been wanting to do. Please ignore my nails, guys. And I've been wanting to, like, you know, do something to my apartment, because since I moved into this place, like, it's not really right now, it's not so bad, but I just want to like add a few things that would make the apartment look really pretty. So yeah, so I'm actually doing house tour later on, so now I'm just going to look around really and see if I would like anything at the mall. So yeah, you guys are going to come with me, and yeah, let's see, let's go. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. Oh, I have to turn it this way, sorry. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I look like I'm going to school. Just looking simple and cute. So yeah, I'm going now, guys. My taxi is already outside. So yeah, with this really cute purse. So yeah, I forgot my mask. Let's go. These are like really cute, and I'm looking for candles as well, but I want like scented candles. Oh my god, these are like really cute. Always wanted one of these. They smell so good. And then the candles are up here. Still looking though. Well, this is a must. Like, I have to. You guys are going to see it. I have to. I actually do. It's pretty. I want to get some frames as well. And then this is like so cute. But like, is it yellow or white? The batteries are on inside. It's going to be like so cute if I put it on like a stand on the wall. Oh, and here we have the frames. Oh, I've always wanted something like this. Oh, this is so cute. 35 grivens. It's also, yeah. Home is not a place, it is a feeling. When it rains, look for the rainbows. When it's dark, look for the stars. Preach, sis, preach. So yeah, they're just various stuff. Let me just look around a bit, okay? Gosh, you guys, look, I most likely would get this because I love stuff like this. And then when you turn it on, oh, amazing. Alright, so I'm thinking of getting this. So actually what I wanted to get was like 2 white floating shelves, like to just put it on my wall or something and then decorate it with a few things. But then now that I'm looking at this, I feel like this would be better, and I won't have to drill anything in the wall. Yeah, and I won't have to drill anything in the wall. I can just like put this like close to like maybe my filming setup or something, because I'm also looking for a background I'm going to be using for my filming setup. So I'll probably do that. I really have to come and grab something to eat because I wasn't kidding when I said I only had breakfast today. So I've already gone halfway. You guys, my food is here. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. God, I'm really hungry. But yeah, I'm at sushi. Yeah. Oh wait, I can't find any of this thing, but yeah, I'm at sushi. Yeah. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done with this. So guys, I just finished eating. You guys, I can't wait to go home. I feel like I've been outside for too long already, and it's just been what, 1 hour. Anyway, I'm going home right now, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I couldn't like end the vlog well because once I got home I just slept off, and then I woke up this morning. So today, right now, I'm all dressed up. I'm going downstairs to the store to go and get some things for what I want to cook. I'm going to cook fried rice today, pineapple fried rice today. So I'm just going downstairs. The store is very close to my house, so I'm just going to walk downstairs, get a few things, and then come up, cook. I also have a client today. Like, I'm going to be doing someone's makeup today by 4 p.m. so I have to like hurry up what I'm doing. Then yeah, that's basically how my day is going to go today, Sha. So yeah, I'm going, oh my god, what's this? Anyway, yeah, I'm going downstairs right now. Let's go. I'm back, guys. I didn't want to vlog much outside. Oh yeah, my chicken is on fire already for my fried rice. So yeah, let's get to cooking. I'm exhausted, like, you guys, I'm so exhausted. I'm almost done with the fried rice. I'm just resting because something's on fire right now. Today is Saturday. Last night I couldn't really do much, like I couldn't really vlog much, but my friend came over and then I made the pineapple fried rice for her. We just ate and then we watched a movie, Sugar Rush. It was showing on Netflix, came out yesterday, and then we just slept on basically. So you guys, say hi to my friend. This is Eshi, and we are cooking because we are going for a picnic later in the day. What are you making, Eshi? Tell us what you're making.
I'm making sandwich. I'm just doing filling right now.
She's making sandwich and I'm going to be making chicken. I'm going to be making grilled chicken. I already marinated this and I put it in the fridge. Then afterwards we're going to just dress up, do our makeup, you know, everything, and then we'll be going. So I'll see you guys. Go! Let's go, let's go! We are done with this one and we're also done with this one. Kind of done it. This is Shion and this is Eshi. Yeah, say hi. Eshi's trying to make waffles right now. We've already made toast and we made some grilled chicken as well. So yeah, after this we're going to dress up and then we're going to be going. So we're going. So you guys, I'm here. We're at the park. Everybody say hi. Hi. Timothy, Eshi, Joy, Sandra, extra one.
People should be thanking me for videoing you guys. People are shouting.
I'm so sad.
Come on. Start again.
What's the name of that? Yes, I put it. Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm not out. As far as I'm concerned.
Guys, so I just got back and I am exhausted. To be honest, I'm so tired. I'm just going to go ahead and take off my makeup now and I'll probably take a shower. Yes, I'm going to take a shower and then I'll be going to bed because I'm very, very tired right now. Yeah, I think I'm going to see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Today is Sunday. So today is Sunday. I just woke up and I went downstairs because Eshi just left. So oh my god, I'm so tired. I have to go to church today because I've not gone to church in like how many weeks, and yeah, I really need to go to church today. So yeah, yeah, I'm very tired though. Wait, what's the time? It should be like what, 10, 9. Not again. My earring is so tiny. Anyway, so yeah, I think it's like 10 o'clock and then my church starts by 11. So did I say 11? See, I need to go back to bed. My church starts by 1 p.m. So yeah, I'm going to go back to bed and wake up by like 12 because I'm gonna kill myself. Going back to bed. Hey guys, so I went to church, came back, then I went out again because I was hungry. I didn't have food at home, so I had to go out and get something to eat. Then I came back home again. So yeah, I'm home now. I've changed and everything, and I'm just going to go back to editing this vlog, and then later at night I'll watch Chief Obi's live video because he always goes live every Sunday by 9 p.m. Nigerian time, and the live is like always hilarious, so I can't even miss a day. So here's what I'm going to be doing for tonight. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. If you liked it, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this vlog. And do you want to keep on seeing more vlogs? Should I keep on doing more vlogs? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.